on now. So you mean you want to invest on OpenAi-ngn.online? Guy, wise up now, get sense. It's a scam. See, don't invest your hard-earned money on any platform until you have subscribed to this channel and you have watched my videos. Now I'm going to just relax. I'm going to review OpenAi-ngn.online for you. Then after that, you can decide if you should invest or not. But make sure you don't invest on this platform until you have seen this video. Stay there, I'll be right back. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as said earlier, this is OpenAi-ngn.online. It's an investment platform that claims to work with OpenAI, which is the popular ChatGPT, to make lives better and all. But I can assure you that if you invest on this platform, you would only be wrecking your life. For those who want to register on this platform, if you want to register, if you check the registration page, you will see that the captcha is not so obvious. So you need to turn your phone to a desktop version. With the desktop version, you'll be able to see clearly what digits are. Then you'll be able to input them and register on the platform. But let's get back to business, and you are going to see it for yourself if it's legit or not. Don't forget, like I always say, this is not the financial advice, so it depends on what you really want to do as an adult. Now I'm going to log into my account. I've registered on the platform, so let me log in, and with that we can get started. I'm trying to log in. So so this is the platform. This is what it looks like. Before we get started with analyzing what they do and everything, let's do a background check on them to see when it was registered and all. Then we'll decide if it's worth our time or not. For example, this platform was registered on the 10th of May 2023. That's just some weeks ago. That's some days ago. It's less than 2 weeks. So one thing you need to know is that these guys have no affiliation with the OpenAI. This is the real OpenAI, which is owned by Microsoft. So I'm not sure Microsoft needs your money. They don't need 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 naira from you in order for you to get any financial returns. So this is a scam. It's just a way of defrauding people. They are using they are using people's logo and all to defraud Nigerians. Now, if you log into the platform, you would see that they gave you 200 naira. And with this 200 naira, once you check your orders, you have an active 1,000 naira that is working for you, and daily you are earning 30 naira. So you are going to earn it for 365 days. But the question is this legit or not? One of the ways you will also know if it's legit or not. Don't forget, we already said, number one, it's new. Don't ever invest on a platform that just started. They have no history, they have no testimonials, they have nothing. Now, in your balance, they are giving you 200 naira. So if you try to withdraw the 200 naira, you're going to realize that you need about 1,000 naira to withdraw. Please tell me, how many days will it take you to earn 30 naira till you will be able to cross the 1,000 naira limit before you can withdraw your free money? So one way or the other, these guys want you to invest on their platform. There is absolutely nothing like OpenAi-ngn.online. It is a scam. It is from the pit of hell, and these guys are just there to scam you. If you don't know what you're doing, instead you fall for them. And you must note that most of these platforms are owned by the same set of people, and they are defrauding the same set of people. That's the bad part, because most persons that lose money to Ponzi schemes are greedy people who just want to make money without working. They want to make money without any reasonable thing. They just want to make money. And when you are greedy, you are bound to lose money. Now, if you scroll down, it tells you how it works, that you invest a certain amount of money, and once you invest, you can start getting returns. For example, if you invest 2,500 naira, you get daily earnings of 625 naira, and you get it for 120 days and earn 75,000 naira. So what kind of business? You as a Nigerian, both of us are based in Nigeria, and we know how these things work. What kind of business are you going to do that would give you a return of 75,000 naira with 2,500 naira investment? What kind of business do you think that would be? Now, if you invest 5,000, you get 168,000 naira. So what kind of business are they doing that they can pay thousands of people this kind of returns daily. Even banks will never promise you this, and they will never pay you this amount of money. So if you scroll down, you will see lots of options. We have the one of 50,000 to earn 200, about 2 million. Yeah, 2,040,000 naira. So if you invest 50,000 naira, you would earn 2,040,000 naira. If you invest 100,000 naira, you earn 4,440,000 naira. And also, all these are wrong. But for those, like I said, who would want to invest on this platform, you can check the description section. You will see the link there. Just click on the link and get registered. I am not putting my money on this platform, and I won't advise you to do. So if you want to invest, all you have to do is to click on the plus sign, and it's going to ask you questions like, are you sure you want to buy AI 401 with 500,000 naira? So you click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, it will take you to the buy page. Then they said, sorry, you don't have sufficient balance. So the first thing you have to do is to deposit money in your account. Yes, so to deposit money, you have to recharge. So you can select gateway 1, gateway 2, gateway 3. That means they have 3 gateways for payment. Once you click on any of them, then you go to I have paid but has not arrived. Once you click on that, the admin will be notified. Then the admin can help you settle that. But sincerely, I wish you guys would listen to me. I don't want people coming back and crying and dropping comments that, oh, I've wasted this, oh, I've wasted this and all. This is not the first time you are seeing this happen, and it won't be the last time. People will keep losing money to fraudsters, Yahoo boys, and Ponzi schemes. So the question is, why must it be you? Do you have more than enough to hit that you are wasting it on Ponzi schemes? If the answer is no, then don't do this. So if you want to refer people to earn, they said referral 1, they have about 3 levels. So each level will determine how much you earn, how much you gain from them. So how it works is, you are part of level 1 now. The first person you refer is level 1. The person refers is level 2, and the person refers is level 3. So to get your referral link, just click here. Once you click here, you would see it explains everything. This is your referral link. They said copy my referral link. Once you click on this, you are good to go. So guys, if this is your first time of watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We talk about cryptocurrencies, we talk about making money online strategies, we talk about investment, we do investment reviews, and we do all sorts of things. So guys, I want to see you subscribe, share this video with your friends, share this channel with your friends also, and one of these days rather, I would like to see you in person. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.